What's up guys, today we're going to be setting up a track here under this beautiful tree, and we're going to be unboxing the new for 2018, that is, Zoom In Hot Wheels from the Experimotors Set. This diecast was made in 4 different liveries, black and white in the 2018 version, and there was a red and green in 2019. So this Hot Wheels car actually works with the GoPro Hero 4 and 5 session to be exact. That is also a discontinued form factor from GoPro, but it does work really well with this car as it was designed to. So enough of that, let's go check this out and see how it rides. Now, the GoPro does add a lot of weight to the car, so it is very top heavy, and you can see it's a lot different than your typical diecast car on the track. If there's too much slack, or it's too steep in sections, it's gonna fall off.
Let's go try this section over here. Alright, so I plan to post more videos exploring how to get the best performance out of the Zoom In and the Hero 5 session, as well as some other options there might be out there for POV Hot Wheel shots in 2023, so stay tuned for that. As you can see, it takes some trial and error to get the Zoom In to work the way we want on the track. Here we had some young slackers who wanted to help out with the track build, and here's what they came up with.
Let's take this moment of zen to subscribe to Slack Tracks. Thanks for watching.